Here is how to enable sync in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First open Chrome and click on the three dots which are on the top right, and here click on Settings. It's the second last option. And now on the first page, which is you and Google, you'll see this option. So first you can see which Google account you've been signed into, and you can change this by signing out of this account and signing in with another one. Once that's done, just click on Sync and Google Services, and here click on Turn on Sync. So this is what all will be synced. So bookmarks, autofill, extensions, history. And if you're fine with this, click on Yes, I'm in. And as you can see, we're now syncing to this email ID. And there's one thing you can do, and that's to manage the sync. So if you click on this, then here you can manage what all you sync. So if you scroll down, you can see currently all of this is enabled. But let's say I don't want to sync my password. I can just disable it, and now it's done. So now everything else will get synced other than my passwords. So this is how it works. And if you go to any other device and log in with this email ID, then you'll get all of your data that's getting synced. That's all for today. Goodbye.